Hello and welcome to Praj Knowledge Center. Before I start the session, let me thank you profoundly for liking our videos and encouraging us to make many videos related to the subjects of your interest. So before I proceed further, I have a request to new viewers who have not yet subscribed to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon such that you get our videos whenever they are loaded in YouTube. So without any delay, let's start this session. So let's talk about what is the Indian stock market, right? So in India, we have two stock markets. We used to have almost in every state earlier. We had a Bangalore Stock Exchange, we had a Calcutta Stock Exchange, many stock exchanges, but over a period of time, they got closed because there was not enough business. So today we have two stock exchanges which are recognized worldwide. One is called BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Fortunately, it has not been converted to Mumbai Stock Exchange, right? So we have Bombay Stock Exchange, which is created way back in 1872, and it happens to be Asia's oldest stock exchange as well. And we have second stock exchange, which is National Stock Exchange, which was created in 1992. It became operational in 1994, which is now located in BKC. And these two exchanges, you can do your buying and selling of the stocks. Basically, they are the markets where buying and selling of the stocks is happening. Earlier, it used to be happening on the floor, जहाँ पे बोली लगती थी आज की डेट में, because the online system आ गए. So you are bidding online, right? You are bidding for the stocks online. And now, since it is a market, to regulate that market, we have a regulatory body called SEBI, that's Securities and Exchange Board of India, right? Uske functions hain. It is like a watchdog. It keeps eyes on the investment industry, and SEBI makes rules and regulations for Indian investors, foreign institutional investors, mutual funds, many people. All those people who are participating in capital market, SEBI is the one to make the rules for, right? So this is how our market works. And as a retail trader or an investor, how we are connected to the market, the BSE or NSE don't talk to us. They are having intermediaries through you buy, right? So जैसे आपको अगर आप suppose करो if you want to buy anything, you are buying everything through the showrooms, right? If you want to buy vegetable, you are not going to the vegetable market directly, right? APMC में कोई नहीं जाता है. Similarly, you don't go to Raymond's to buy the clothes. You go to Raymond shops, which are retail shops, or you go to the shopping centers, right? So similarly, stock market में भी ऐसे ही है. You have got brokers, and those brokers open your trading account, right? Through trading account, which is connected to your bank account, you can buy and sell the shares. But if you buy the share, where will you keep it? Because now it is in a demat form, right? Dematerialized form में जो कि electronic एक तरीके का electronic certificate है. If you keep it with your broker may sell it. He may misuse it, right? So SEBI has made a separate demat account where your stocks are parked, right? And those stocks are those demat accounts are managed by CDSL or NSDL, right? These are the custodians of your stocks. So जैसे ही आप stock खरीदते हो, खरीदने के 2 दिन के अंदर अंदर उसका स्टैम्प ड्यूटी रजिस्ट्रेशन भर के वो NSDL या CSDL में आ जाता है. आपका डीमैट अकाउंट या तो NSDL में होगा या CDSL में होगा, जहां भी आपका ब्रोकर जहां भी कनेक्टेड है वहां पे होगा. That's and having these two accounts is necessary for you to participate in the stock market, right? This is how the stock market works. Like any other business, stock market is also very simple business. What is this business all about? It is a business about buying sasta, holding it for some time, and whenever it becomes expensive, selling it. Like if you are in, let's say, business of selling grocery, आप क्या करते हो? होलसेल मार्केट से खरीद के लाते हो, शॉप में रखते हो, स्टोर करते हो और उसको महंगे में रिटेल वाले को बेच देते हो. दिस इज प्रिसाइजली द स्टॉक मार्केट्स वे ऑफ वर्किंग ऑल्सो. सिंपल बिजनेस है एंड सबको अकल है, बट उसके बाद में लोग यहां पे पैसा गंवाते हैं. क्यों? द क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन टू बाय एंड व्हेन टू सेल. होलसेल प्राइस कब है, रिटेल प्राइस कब है, वो कैसा पता चले? This is where the learning starts. So the first learning of the market is learning the market phases. The market moves in phases and वो phase को पहचानना. Now when I'm saying market, market can include Nifty, that's the 50 stocks of NSE, or Sensex, that's the 30 stocks of BSE, or it could be, let's say, stock itself. It could be SBI, it could be HDFC, it could be Reliance, it could be Titan, any stock. Whenever I'm referring to the market or chart, it could be of anyone. So when the market moves, it moves in phases, right? There is an accumulation zone that's called a demand zone, where you would find demand is being created. People want to buy. So वो होलसेल प्राइस पे मुझे मिलता है, तो ये मेरे को आइडेंटिफाई करना जरूरी है, राइट? वो चार्ट पढ़ के मेरे को समझ में आता है, या फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस समझ में आता है. एंड देन मार्केट गोज अप, देन इट फॉल्स अ लिटिल, एंड देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज अ सप्लाई जोन. व्हाट इज अ सप्लाई जोन? Supply zone is where the stocks are in excess. Where it is in excess? At retail price. That means time to book the profit, because from this distribution zone, market generally falls. And once it falls, it may get a bounce back, another opportunity to redistribute. And then it will, or it may fall again. Right? Can you get that? Understand the market phases. So ये phase को समझना जरूरी है. Most of the people, they buy the stock, वो stock गिरना चालू हो जाता है. क्यों? Exactly because they are buying somewhere here. Wrong जगह पे खरीद रहे होते हैं. That's where it is very, very crucial for you and me to understand the market phases. And you must also understand there is a rule of 90-90-90 in stock market. How many of you already know 90-90-90 rule? It says 90% of the people lose 90% of their money within 90 days of their coming to the stock market. Now this picture is $1 million picture. Why do they lose 90% of their money within 90 days? Is very simple, because they go into line of trading. उनको लगता है डीमैट अकाउंट खोल दिया तो सर्टिफिकेट आ गया, मेरे पास में लाइसेंस आ गया पैसा छापने का. तो 10% of the people go for learning. So what is a stock? Stock, I always say that is a part of, it's a partnership in any of the company you are participating in, right? So अगर आप partner बनने जा रहे हो, तो are you investigating about that company enough? Are you investigating about the management? Are you investigating about the balance sheet? Are you investigating about the fund flow? Are you investigating about the cash flow? Profit and loss. There are so many statements in a balance sheet or P&L, profit and loss account जो होता है उसमें. अगर आप वो बिना एनालाइज करते हुए किसी के बोलने पे वो कंपनी का शेयर खरीद रहे हो, तो then you are, it's like, I call it a financial suicide. So it's very much necessary to work as a professional if you are working in this business. I call it a business. Either it could be your part-time business or it could be full-time business. If you are an employee working during the daytime, make it your part-time business for 2 hours every day in the evening once you are at home, because that's your time. And nobody says कि आप investment मत करो. No supervisor says, no boss says. The stocks represent your claim in the company's earning and growth. Now, are you partnering in a company where you can really, first, does it have a growth and earning such that you can claim that? If the company does not have earning and growth, what you will claim? Nothing. Babaji ka tullu, right? And ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड जो आज स्टॉक की प्राइस को कुछ चीज ड्राइव कर रही है ना, वो स्टॉक की प्राइस इस बात पे ड्राइव नहीं हो रही कि वो कंपनी कितना कमाती है, बट इस बात पे ड्राइव हो रही कि आज से 6 महीने बाद, साल भर बाद, 2 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद कितना कमाएगी. सो यू विल ऑलवेज फाइंड कि स्टॉक मार्केट में 100 रुपए की चीज अक्सर आपको 150, 200, 250 रुपए में मिल रही होती, महंगी मिल रही होती. So you will always see that the stocks are available at a premium because it is expected down the line 2 year, 5 years later, these companies sales growth, profit growth, earnings will be increasing, right? And in today's market, that is already discounted because there are a lot of big shots working in the market who keep on working on it, and price gets adjusted to that future earning. So it's important for you to know the business environment, that business view, and that businessman's integrity. Let's understand then what is the investment. So when it comes on investment, there are two kinds of investment: short-term investments and a long-term investment, right? We defined it in two categories. Short-term investment I talk about 100 days plus. 100 days plus means what? 6 months in stock market. Market is open only 200 days. That's where जब भी 100 दिन की बात करते हैं हम बोलते हैं कि 6 महीने की बात हो रही है, राइट? सो यू आर लुकिंग एट डेली चार्ट्स और वीकली. दैट मींस आपकी मॉनिटरिंग डेली और वीकली हो रही है ऐसे स्टॉक्स में जो कि आपने 6 महीने साल भर के लिए इन्वेस्ट किए हुए हैं, राइट? एंड व्हाट यू वुड बी डूइंग, यू विल बी फॉलोइंग ट्रेंड्स. So we call it a trend is your friend until it bends at the end. So you need to understand what is the trend in the market. Last 4 days, the market was in a downtrend. Before that, it was in an uptrend. And before that, almost from the February end, it was in steep downtrend. So you need to understand that part. So for a shorter period of investment, you need to understand what are the indicators, what is the market scenario, what is a sector scenario. आप जिस भी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना चाह रहे हो वो सेक्टर कैसे ग्रो कर रहा है, बिकॉज मेनी अ टाइम सेक्टर्स बिकम सिक्लिकल, राइट? साल भर, 2 साल भर आप स्टील इंडस्ट्री देख लो, इट वाज इन डाउन टर्न. देन यू ऑल्सो नीड टू know what is a fundamental analysis, right? So fundamental analysis is the basic of investment. The various ratios we'll talk about. And then you need to understand what is a long-term or active portfolio investing, right? So long-term means we are talking about 1,000 days. That means we're talking 3 years plus. So for that, what you require, you need to buy fundamentally excellent stocks at below intrinsic price. Intrinsic price क्या होती है? Now, let's say ये glass है. So this glass might be, let's say 100 rupees. So अगर इसकी 100 rupees में ये मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, बट इसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट कितनी रही होगी? Let's say इसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड स्टोरेज और लॉजिस्टिक्स कॉस्ट मिला के 60 rupees है. That means 40 rupees is a profit that distributor जिसकी दुकान से मैंने खरीदा वो 40 rupees कमा रहा है, राइट? इसका मतलब इसकी इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू समवेयर अराउंड 60 रुपए है. एंड इफ आई गेट दिस ग्लास एट 40 rupees, that means I am getting 20 rupees less than intrinsic price. That means it's a good buy. Now अगर मैं 40 rupees में ये ग्लास खरीद के लाऊं और ये वेबिनार में आपको बोलूं भाई मैं ये ग्लास 60 रुपए में बेच रहा हूं, 70 रुपए में बेच रहा हूं, 80 रुपए में बेच रहा हूं, ईच वन ऑफ यू विल बी रेडी टू बाय बिकॉज मार्केट में आपको 100 रुपए का मिल रहा है, मेरे से आपको 20% कम में मिल रहा है. दैट्स व्हाट इज बाइंग अ स्टॉक एट is less than intrinsic price. Your holding period is larger here, so you need to look at more bigger time frame, weekly or monthly. You need to look at technical as well as fundamental analysis. And you need to know what are the 5 commandments of investing and 4 methods of analyzing the company. If you choose a company based upon these 5 commandments and 4 methods of analysis, there are fair enough chances that your wealth will grow exponentially. So what are the success secrets in the stock market? Patience, right? Which most of the time people do not have. 2 दिन मार्केट नीचे गिरती ना, मेरे को कॉल आना चालू हो जाता, सर और किधर जाएगी मार्केट, right? right attitude of learning. That's why you are here. So that is very right attitude. And the next right attitude you require is towards the market. Market is not going to, reward you next day. It will reward you on a long period of time. Your job for next 3 years is keep on learning, keep on learning, keep on learning. Invest कम करो, चाहे 50 स्टॉक खरीदो, 2 स्टॉक खरीदो, but practice, right? Third, learning and acquiring right skills. लर्निंग, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. अभी जो हम लोग ने जो चार्ट देखा था उसमें डिमांड और सप्लाई की ही बात कर रहे थे. जिसको हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जोन बोल रहे थे वो सप्लाई जोन भी है, एंड जिसको हम अक्यूमुलेशन जोन बोल रहे थे वो ही डिमांड जोन है. तो इसको हम चार्ट में कैसे पढ़ें? विद द हेल्प ऑफ फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस एंड टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. सो यू वुड बी सीइंग अनदर video which will be permanently in our YouTube. That's called supply and demand zone. You can read the charts through that. It's around 25 minutes video. It's my gift to all of you guys. See that video. You will learn that in the charts, how do we see demand and supply zones, how to draw that in the chart, right? That will help you. And learning speed and uncertainty. The stock market is moving with it's $1 trillion in a day, and it's uncertain. So you need to learn how to manage that. Timely execution कैसे करूं, प्लान कैसे बना के रखूं, प्लान ए क्या, प्लान बी क्या, प्लान सी क्या, like any other business. Third and the last, practice until the skills what you have developed become part of your subconscious mind. It becomes very natural, as if you are driving a car. You don't have to think कौन से गियर में डालूं, क्लच किधर है, एक्सेलेटर किधर है, कितना घुमाऊं. You don't read the manual when you are turning the wheel, right? It automatically happens because it's already in your subconscious mind. That's what you need to do when you are in the stock market. But most of the time क्या होता है, लोग ये stock market में आते हैं बिना ट्रेनिंग लिए हुए, बिना सीखे हुए, बिना मेंटर के, और सोचते हैं हो जाएगा. And that वो 90-90-90 का रूल लग जाता है उनके ऊपर, right? So let's understand what is the psychology of the market. The psychology of the market is very simple. In a short term, market is driven by fear and greed. You have seen at the time of Corona, a lot of fear, market is down. Now, market has a greed. What is a greed? हम इसको बोलते हैं FOMO. What is a FOMO? Fear of missing out. So अब मार्केट थोड़ा भी ऊपर गई ना, 500 पॉइंट ऊपर गई, 1000 पॉइंट ऊपर गई, तो लोग को लगना है यार ऐसा तो नहीं कि मार्केट यहां से भागने वाली, छूट ना जाए, राइट? सो वो फियर में लोग खरीदना चालू कर देते हैं. सो दैट इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म, एंड यू आर एट अ वेरी राइट टाइम. यू कैन फील दिस बोथ द इमोशंस, बट इन अ लॉन्ग टर्म मार्केट इज ड्रिवन बाय बैलेंस शीट, नथिंग एल्स. सो एज एन इन्वेस्टर इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ फंडामेंटल्स. एंड इट मे हैपन कि आपने कोई स्टॉक खरीदा है और वो गिर गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्ट टर्म psychology, right? But if it has got good fundamentals, it will come up. It may come up in 3 to 4 months time, maybe 6 months time, maybe in 1 year. But you must pick up stocks below the intrinsic value, right? And this is not the business of always being right. There are times when you will be wrong. There are times when you will be right. What matters is most of the time you should be right. Less number of time you should be wrong. And it's a business of buying people's fear and sell people's greed. Right? So being in the market, being in the right environment, being with the right mentors, you get a guidelines. But human emotion क्या है? इंसान की साइकोलॉजी क्या होती है? We are used to of buying at a retail price. तो हम इंतजार करेंगे कि नहीं 12,000 आएगा ना तभी हम खरीदेंगे. जब ये न्यूज़पेपर चैनल्स और आपके न्यूज चैनल वाले, टीवी चैनल वाले वो सब बोलना चालू करेंगे, नाउ मार्केट विल गो टू 20,000. Market definitely will go to 20,000, but when you do not know, I do not know. It will go maybe in 5 years, maybe 10 years. But टीवी वाले ऐसे दिखाते, ऐसे बात करते कि ऐसे बस अगले 6 महीने में निफ्टी 20,000 या 15,000 होने वाली है, right? So you don't need to get carried away with that. Simply look at buy when the price is at wholesale, fear है, and sell when the price is at retail. So thank you very much for watching the video. I trust you are getting benefited from our stock market related videos. To get the latest information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on latest videos. To learn about the stocks, derivatives, commodities, forex, trading, investing, you can also request for videos on the subject of your choice in the comment box. Thank you once again for watching and liking the video. Please share the video with your friends and family members who can also be benefited from valuable and quality knowledge. Happy trading, happy investing.